Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and get regular updates from AE.
Hello, what is up people, Rishabh here, and yes, I welcome you all to yet another video of AE, and I'm in my shorts and right beside me is my Apache RTR 204V. And इस वीडियो में I'll be giving a brief review of the Grand Pit Stop's G-Roller, so you can see that. And for the unboxing, let's go upstairs and have a look at the G-Roller. Hello guys, and I welcome you all to the unboxing of the G-Roller from Grand Pit Stop, and this is the voiceover I'm doing right now, so please don't get confused कि थैली की आवाज़ क्यों नहीं आ रही. But yes, this is the Grand Pit Stop's G-Roller. It's of small size for bikes which are less than 170 kgs, and my bike is definitely less than 170 kgs. So yes, here is the packaging done, quite good I must say, double bubble wraps. And looking at the condition of the box, even that is good. Like corners में थोड़ा बहुत pitch का है, but that is fine. In the side it says they also offer puncture solution and parking solutions, so that is a option which you can find on Grand Pit Stop. In the rear of the pack we have simple instructions how to use the G-Roller, and again, yeah, there is the 6-month warranty patch. It's used for easy chain and tire maintenance. That is a good thing. Now that is the product ka image, and let's open the box and have a look at the image itself. So yes, here is the image, and not the image, sorry, here's the product. And yeah, it's a small user manual with 4 images which can be it's self-explanatory, like देख के पता चल जाता है. We have to use like how do we use the G-Roller. First, place the bike on a level ground before using the G-Roller. Like of course second part इस वीडियो के में दिख जाएगा. और ये small है, medium मिलता है, फिर large भी मिलता है. So of course there are 3 sizes. And छोड़िए इसको, let's go. मैंने double thumbs up दे दिया. हाँ. So yes, this is the G-Roller, the actual product, and it's again wrapped in bubble wrap. So that is quite good. And the product is quite shiny. It looks very well. Or yes, let's start with the first thing. Of course, it has got 2 rollers and the Grand Pit Stop labeling in between. To have a look at the complete product, let's go downstairs and yes, let's get started. So yeah, that was the contents of the box, and we have the G-Roller right in front of us, and it's the small one because my bike is not that heavy. And let's start from the first thing first. That is of course mounting my bike on top of this G-Roller. I'll just keep this aside, and that's the noise of my Potosi. So it's really very easy. You can just see that we have to place the roller just in front of the tire, like neutral pe kar do first of all, and just keep the roller in front of that. And the best thing is that you have these paddings jiske wajah se it won't basically slide, so it is quite sturdy, I would say that. And place it right in front of the rear tire. And here you go. Yeah, so you can see that it's on the rear wheels. Like though I have a tire which is quite thick, like it's somewhere around, I'll show you, it's 130 70 like it's 130, मतलब जो width है इसकी 130. So yeah, it's on neutral, and you can see how easily it is basically going, and it's not that clean, I have to say that. So we should basically clean, and it's used for chain lubrication, as you can see. Of course if you don't have a double stand, like usually KTMs के अंदर नहीं होता, and इसमें fortunately है, but I don't have a bike जिसके अंदर आपको double stand नहीं मिलेगा. So I am just demonstrating on this bike. So I'll just give you a brief idea of what you can do. Of course you can check out punches. If you come here, you will be able to rotate the wheel very easily. Like कोई भी पंचर वगैरह होगा, डबल स्टैंड में आप बिना आगे पीछे आपको हिलानी पड़ेगी. So वो मत कीजिए. Instead of that, of course you can buy the G-Roller from Grand Pit Stop, and you can check if there is any punctures or if there is any wear or tear in the tire. And of course you could basically just clean it up without any problem. मतलब काफ़ी helpful रहता है, I would like to say that. So yes, that is about the G-Roller from Grand Pit Stop. And if you think of buying this stuff, I would definitely recommend it, because that is a plus point ki it's really small and it's usable. Like you can take it to rides, and of course you have the chain lubrication, आपके पास खुद के पास can होगा, और
G-roller hoga, so you are pretty well and you are pretty good to go. So that's it for today's video. If you want the product, you could buy it from the link that is in the description box below. So if you have any suggestions ki kuch, you know, for this product or for this video, you can write them down in the comment section below. As always, this is Rishabh signing off. Please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.